Hello student, today's session we are going to learn how to represent the real numbers on the number line using successive magnification for exercise 1.4. So let us start. First of all, we should know what is the meaning of successive magnification. So it is the process of visualization of numbers on the number line through a magnifying glass is known as the process of successive magnification. As we know, the number line is this. Now suppose we want to magnify the portion between 2 and 3. So between 2 and 3, if we want to be magnifying, so how it will be? So we should draw 10 equal parts between 2 and 3 like this. So 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9 and then 3. So this is the magnification of 2 and 3 on the number line. So using this we represent the real number on the number line. So let's visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. So let's draw a number line and locate 3 and 4. So we get here that 3.765 lies between 3 and 4. So on the number line we have to mark the 3 and 4, that 3.76 lies between these two numbers on the number line. Then we have to divide 3 and 4, this part of the number line, into 10 equal parts like this. 3 and 4, between 3 and 4 there are 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9 and 4. So these are the 10 equal parts between 3 and 4. Now here in this figure we observe that 3.765 lies between 3.7 and 3.8. Again, what we will do, we will divide this interval, that means 3.7 and 3.8. Again we draw the 10 equal parts between these two on the number line. So the process we get in next on the number line is 3.7 and 3.8 divided into 10 equal parts as 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.79. So these are the 10 equal parts between 3.7 and 3.8. Now again we observe that the given number 3.765 lies between 3.76 and 3.77. Again same process we have to follow. We have to make the 10 equal parts of 3.76 and 3.77. Between these two we have to draw the 10 equal parts. Then the parts of 3.76 and 3.77 between these two numbers are 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765, 3.766 and up to 3.769 and last 3.77. That means these are the 10 equal parts between 3.76 and 3.77. Now what we observe here, the number which we have to visualize, that 3.765, exactly we are getting here 3.765. So we can say this position is the 3.765 represent here. That means the point 3.765 is clearly located at this point, that we can say by magnifying the glass or by magnification process we get the visualizing of 3.765 by successive magnification. So I hope that you will understand how to magnify or how to visualize the number or the real number on the number line.